All right, so we've just received our thank you email and thank you SMS. So I'm just going to show you how that looks. It's all automated and it's pretty cool. And what we're trying to do is drive 5-star reviews back into our Google page to increase our ranking and hopefully increase our customer database. So if I look at the email that we've received, we've got the Robert Street Automotive one. It says thank you. Now we can customize this in any way that you like, but the core of it being is that we're trying to drive people back to the Google page. So our email quite simply says, thanks for popping by. If your recent experience was good, we'd love to hear about it. Click here to leave your great review. So I click on that and it's linked to the Robert Street Automotive page. It's quite simply asking us to leave a 5-star review, and hopefully with any luck your customers can leave a 5-star review and share some details of their experience with you. But the core of it being is that we're trying to drive customers to leaving those reviews, so then when you look at your Google page, it's got a series of 5-star reviews that your customers or potential customers can refer back to.